where do you look for inspiration and advice? Have mentors been important to you, and what's the sort of best advice you've received, would you say?
Um, well, Tyfu Cymru for a start. Having access to agronomists, without a doubt, has been this year been fantastic. So we've had several visits this year, and you can just ask them questions that, to be honest with you, you wouldn't know where to start looking for the answers for. And having them on site as well has been brilliant. They can walk the crops, they can look at this, they might have picked up issues that I wouldn't have seen. They talk about different ways of growing, like plant supports. Our plants this year are huge and we're having issues keeping them upright. So different ways of doing that, whether we suspend from the top of the polytunnels or whether we're putting in iron posts and stringing wires along. It's just little things like that. They really have been worth their weight in gold this year. I can't fault them. And like I say, there's no school you can go to learn about this, really. But these guys, they travel the country, they see different people, they see different techniques, and they sort of bring a best practice with them. They take best practice from this company, a best practice from this company, and they'll bring it to you and say, well, have you tried this? Have you tried that? Contact this company. Yeah, Tyfu, without a doubt, 100%.